Are you looking for the best caster boards? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best caster boards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. RipStik Ripster Caster Board. The RipStik Ripster is designed for riders who prefer a more compact and lightweight caster board. Its unique 360-degree caster trucks and concave deck allow you to twist and carve with ease, giving you a thrilling ride. You'll appreciate the slip-resistant deck platforms, which provide excellent grip, ensuring you stay secure while riding. Additionally, the high-grade urethane wheels with ABC5 bearings offer a smooth and enjoyable experience, making it easier for you to navigate various terrains. This board is perfect for younger riders looking to enhance their skills. What we like: durable construction, fun and engaging to ride, quick learning curve, compact and maneuverable, great for kids and teens. What we don't like: requires practice to master, less stable at high speeds. Number 2. RipStik Caster Board Classic Collection. The RipStik Caster Board Classic Collection is a 2-wheel skateboard with 360-degree casters that provides a unique riding experience, allowing for twisting and carving similar to surfing and snowboarding. The board is designed with smooth and steady 76mm urethane wheels and a slip-resistant pivoting deck for maximum grip. It is lightweight, durable, and trickable with a high-tech polymer construction. Suitable for kids and adults aged 8 and up, it can support a rider weight of up to 220 pounds. The board is available in 4 different colors to fit your style. What we like: fun for kids, durable and sturdy, easy to learn, great for outdoor use, good for skate parks. What we don't like: packaging might reveal the product. Wheels wear on rough surfaces. Number 3. RipSurf Caster Board. The RipSurf board allows you to experience the thrill of surfing right where you are. With its innovative design, you can enjoy the sensation of riding waves while on solid ground. The board features 2 high-performance wheels and a uniquely styled polypropylene deck, providing stability and control. You'll appreciate the lightweight construction made from industrial-grade materials, making it easy to maneuver. Additionally, the textured traction pad and kick tail enhance your grip and allow for dynamic movements, ensuring a smooth and exciting ride. What we like: fun for kids and adults. Includes extra wheel, sturdy and stylish design, great exercise opportunity, easy to learn. What we don't like: requires space for use, single-piece design. Number 4. RipStik Caster Board Classic Collection. The RipStik Caster Board, from the Classic Collection, is a unique and thrilling 2-wheel skateboard designed for kids, teens, and adults. With its 360-degree inclined caster wheels and torsion bar, it allows for twisting and carving movements that mimic the flow of surfing and snowboarding. The 76mm urethane wheels with precision-sealed bearings provide a smooth and steady ride, while the slip-resistant pivoting deck ensures maximum grip. Made with a lightweight and durable high-tech polymer construction, this RipStik caster board is perfect for tricks and stunts. Suitable for ages 8 and up, it can support riders weighing up to 220 pounds, 100 kilograms. With 4 deck colors available, you can choose the one that matches your style. What we like: fun for exercise, build quality is good, durable for kids, encourages outdoor activity, helps with balance. What we don't like: wheels wear down quickly. Number 5. RipStik Brights Caster Board. The RipStik Brights Caster Board offers a unique riding experience, with 360-degree inclined caster wheels and a torsion bar that allows for twisting and carving like surfing and snowboarding. It has smooth and steady 76mm urethane wheels with precision-sealed bearings and a slip-resistant pivoting deck that provides maximum grip. The board is lightweight, durable and trickable thanks to its high-tech polymer construction. Suitable for children ages 8 and up and adults weighing up to 220 pounds, 100 kilograms, with 3 vibrant color combinations to choose from. What we like. High quality and durable. Attractive colors and design. Encourages balance and activity. Suitable for various ages. What we don't like. Size may be too large for younger kids.